Hello students, in this class we'll see March 2025 set 4 question paper, 1 marks questions only. Okay, quickly we'll see this. We have seen already 3 sets of paper 1 marks questions 2025 only. Today we'll see the 4th set. The board has released only 4 sets of model question papers. Okay, in this 4th question paper set we'll see the 1 marks quickly. Okay. The rational number in the following. What is the rational number in the following? Don't get confused. All are root numbers here. But just observe. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 7 is irrational. So root 4 is the answer because it's 2. Therefore, answer is C, root 4. Okay. In the figure, P of x given below, number of zeros. See, for a graph to find a number of zeros, it should intersect the x-axis, horizontal axis. If not, then it will not have zeros. It will not have zeros at all. So number of zeros is a 0 here because the graph is not intersecting x-axis at all. Third one, the pair of linear equation represent the parallel lines. When the pair of equation represents parallel lines means what is the condition? You should know that. We'll see that. If one of the equation is this, find the another equation. So for example, for parallel lines, the condition should be a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, this should be the condition for parallel lines. So the one of the equation is given as 2x plus 3y minus 8 is 0. Okay, just observe the ratios. Don't try to calculate for everything. Just orally you visualize it. Like 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Yes, we got the first two sets. Minus 8 by minus 9 is 8 by 9, which is not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, answer here goes as 4x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. You can validate others as well. If since MCQ will have only one right answer, you can stop by comparing the other equations. Okay. The fourth one, the standard form of the quadratic equation. It's again a direct formula. It is C ax square plus bx plus c is 0, right? The distance between the points is again a formula which is the answer x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. I'm just writing the a here. You have to write the full thing here. Formula calculate the nth term of the AP. It's again a direct formula. AN it is. AN is equal to a plus n minus 1 entity. That is also a here. Okay. Seventh one. Formula to find the mean of this data by step deviation. There are 3 cases for mean: direct method, step deviation. Okay, so among that step deviation they have asked, it is actually C answer because x bar, that is mean, is equal to a plus sigma fu by sigma fi. Sorry, my mistake. It's into h should come, no? H should be there. H is always important here because we use that h to divide the midpoint minus d by h, right? So it should be B. I'll write here B. Eighth one. In triangle ABC, see, very important. Okay, sorry. Pardon me. When triangles are similar means which of the following is correct they are given. Without checking your MCQ 4 options, what you should do is first for the given triangles you write the pair of sides which are proportional. That is, I will write here, not looking at the options, looking at the values of the letters of the triangle. AB by DE. See, the first two means the first two. Then I'll write BC. BC by next to 2 is EF. In the order, same order you have to write. If I write CA, you should write FD. If I write AC, you should write DF. So I'll write AC by DF. Check which of the options is matching. AB by DE, BC by EF, AC by DF. Yes, this is third. The first one is matching. So the answer is A here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is 8 is completed. Next, we have second set 1 marks questions, which are 8, which are descriptive from 9 to 16. Write the HCF of any two prime numbers. What is the HCF? HCF of any two prime numbers is always 1. Remember that. You might have seen different way HCF of 7 and 12 in previous sets. Second one, because the numbers are prime. The only way they ask question is different, but you should be able to identify and get the proper answer for the question. Write the degree of the cubic polynomial. Sometimes they give the equation or expression and ask you to the degree. Now they are given the name of the polynomial. So cubic polynomial means it will have a 3 degree for a variable. I mean 3 power 3. So it will be 3. Okay. We'll move to the next question. 11th one. Write the number of solutions that the pair of linear equations has. Just write the equations here. That is 2x minus 5y plus 4 equal to 0. And 2x plus 5y 2x plus 5y minus 8 2x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. So here a1 by a2 is what? A1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 2 1. b1 by b2 is equal to what? Minus 5 by 1, that is minus 5. a1 by a2 is 1, b1 by b2 is minus 5. c1 by c2 if you want to find, you can find, but not record at this point. That is 4 1 the 4 2 the minus 1 by 2. Right? So since a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, since a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, we will have intersecting lines, one solution, consistent pair of linear equations. So whichever they have asked, you have to answer accordingly. I always tell from linear equations in two variable chapter, go and see my videos. I have already completed the full exercise chapter, concepts, introduction, everything I have given. There is a table which you need to remember. 3 ratios, 9 points you have to remember. So among that, any one will be asked as a 1 marks question. Now, according to this, how many solutions it will have? So you have to particularly answer the required part. So one solution. Therefore, one solution, or there is another word, unique solution. Okay. Let's move to the 12th one. Write the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. Nature of the roots, you need to have the standard form. So I will write, if you don't know the standard form, a equal to 1 because x square coefficient is a, b is there is no x term, I made it as a 0x, that doesn't alter the equation given, c equal to minus 10. So nature of root can be found by the value of the discriminant, which is b square minus 4ac. B square is 0 minus 4 into a into c, which comes as 36, which is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. Real and distinct. Okay. Remember that there are 3 conditions based on the discriminant value. Any one greater than 0 means real and distinct, less than 0 means not real roots, equal to 0 means equal roots, 2 equal roots, distinct. Let's see the 13th one. Find the coordinates of the midpoint. Please students listen. This midpoint formula will be asked always 1 marks question. Either distance from the origin or midpoint formula. Our direct formula for these two cases are given some points and ask the value. So the distance means they have given a is 5 by 4, B is 1 by 4, 1 4. Therefore, AB equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 1 minus 5. Oh, sorry, my mistake. I thought it's a distance. It's not the distance, it's the midpoint. So this happens actually. Please be caution. Midpoint of AB, right? Midpoint of AB is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 1 by 2, 4 plus 4 by 2. That is 6 by 2, 8 by 2, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Therefore, 3 comma 4 is the midpoint. Okay. We'll move to the next question, 14th one. Write the value of sine square 90. Sine square 90 they have asked. We know sine 90 is 1, right? Means 1 square 1 because sine 90 is 1. See, sine square 90 is nothing but sine 90 whole square. Remember this. This not to written as part of answer, but you should know that sine square 90 is sine 90 whole square. So since sine 90 is 1, sine square 90 is 1 square 1. 15th one. If E is the event related to the probability, it's again a direct formula. Remember that there are 4 to 5 conditions in probability chapter that can be asked as a one of the 1 marks question. This is one among them. This property is called probability of an event, and sum of probability of event and its negate is always 1. So answer will be P of E plus P of E bar will be 1. Okay, remember. Means this might be asked like this also. If what is the probability of raining today is 0.3, what is the probability of not raining today? Means they are negative events. Raining today and raining not raining today are negative events. Means one mutually exclusive to the other. So it will be always 1 minus that value. The last one in the second main. In the frequency distribution data, if mean is 25, write that mean is equal to 25, median is 40. What is mode? So remember, these are central measures of central tendency. There is a relation between these three: mean, median, mode. What is that relation? You put it, substitute the values, get the answer. Median, that is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Substitute it. 3 of median is 40. Mode we want that 2 of 25. Therefore, mode is 3 for the 120 minus when you transpose 2 5 is 225 is 50 to the left side, it will become minus 50. So 120 minus 50 is what? 70. Okay. This completes the 1 marks questions. Why I am solving 1 marks question quickly means there is lot of chance that we lose 1 or 2 marks. Those who want to score 80 out of 80, please read the chapter summary parts also. 1 marks questions can be asked from there, like formulas. Okay. So this will be 70. Okay. Thank you.